What's up everyone, today we're going to show you how to make a healthy chocolate pudding. Let's go. So in a previous video we made a chocolate date pudding. This is going to be a little different. Instead our base is going to be some Greek yogurt. In a bowl we're going to add a half cup of plain low-fat Greek yogurt. Now let's add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder or cacao powder. Now let's add in 2 tablespoons of all Canadian maple syrup. Congratulations to the World Junior team for winning the gold medal. If you don't have all Canadian maple syrup, then you can use honey or any other sweetener of your choice. Let's give this a mix. Make sure to hit the subscribe button to help us hit our summer goal of 500 subscribers. We appreciate that. Alright everyone, we really appreciate you watching today's video. This chocolate pudding was so good. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye.